Hey everyone, welcome to ITPK. Today I am showing you the real Windows 11 26H1 update that is running on my virtual machine, and this is the build number 28000 1. This is officially released in the Canary channel, and I will explain what 26H1 actually is, what's new, who should install it, and whether it's worth it right now. So let's first clear what 26H1 actually is. On November 7, 2025, Microsoft published Insider Preview Build 28000 and confirmed the start of Windows 11 variant 26H1. This update is real, but it's not a feature update. It's an internal platform update preparing Windows for next generation hardware. Microsoft confirmed that 26H1 isn't meant to bring a new feature to regular Windows 11 users. This update mainly exists to prepare Windows for upcoming ARM-based processors like Snapdragon X2 and NVIDIA N1X. So if you are using a normal Intel or AMD PC, 26H1 won't add anything new for you. In Build 28000, Microsoft has mainly delivered underlying improvements, performance tuning, and some bug fixes. For example, the issues with live captions crashing and some Outlook login problems have been patched. But again, there are no big UI changes or visible new features yet. Microsoft's hardware compatibility guidance confirmed that 26H1 is mainly aimed at new upcoming ARM based devices. Most Intel or AMD computer will not get Windows 11 26H1 as a normal update. Instead, those devices will continue with 25H2 or later 26H2 in the second half of 2026. So, I have installed 26H1 on my VM, and based on testing, there are no real advantage for normal users unless you want to test the early builds or you have ARM hardware coming soon. 26H1 is not necessary. You won't see new features, and as with any Canary build, bugs can appear. If you want to try 26H1 for testing, you can do it through the official Windows Insider program in the Canary channel. Some advanced users also use UUP dump to build ISOs from Microsoft Update servers, but only if you know what you are doing. So to summarize, Windows 11 26H1 is real update but mainly for ARM hardware and internal platform improvements. No major features yet, and most PCs won't get this update. If you are testing like me, you can try it on a VM or Insider Preview, and I will keep you updated as soon as new changes appear. And that's everything you need to know about Windows 11 26H1 Build 28000. This update is real, it's official, and now you know exactly whether you need it or not. If you want more Windows update fixes and tech tutorials, make sure to subscribe. I test every build first so you get the truth, not the rumors. Thanks for watching ITPK, and I will see you in the next one.